Moto G85 5G is expected to launch later this year as a successor to the Moto G84 5G, which was unveiled in India in September 2023. A blog post by ToolJunction shared leaked design renders of the Moto G85 5G. The handset appears in a blue color option with a dual rear camera module. The phone will get a 50-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization. As per the renders, the Moto G85 5G could feature a rear panel with a matte, textured finish. The right edge of the handset appears to house the power and volume buttons. A USB Type-C charging port is seen at the bottom edge. On the front, the Moto G85 5G is seen with a curved display with slim, uniform bezels. This is different from the flat, slightly thicker bezels of the older Moto G84 5G. The front panel is shown with a centered hole punch slot at the top of the display for the front camera. The Moto G85 5G with codename Malmo was recently spotted on Geekbench with a chipset said to be Qualcomm's unannounced Snapdragon 4 Gen 3, an Adreno 619 GPU, and 8GB of RAM. The listing also suggested that the phone could ship with an Android 14-based UI. An accidental listing on a European retailing site suggested that the Moto G85 5G could be priced at €300, roughly 27,100 rupees. We expect to see more leaks in the following weeks as the official launch is just around the corner. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.